Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Cressi Fast 3mm Men's Wetsuit. So this is a full-length men's wetsuit. Because it's 3mm, it's meant for those kind of tropical waters where you just need to take the edge off, that little chill. If you're diving for longer periods, but you don't want to wear a big sort of clunky 5mm, then 3mm is that nice sort of thin material. It's going to protect you from the chill, it's going to protect you from the sun, as well as a lot of marine bumps and scrapes. Better than shorty, because this is covering your arms and your legs. So any kind of marine bites and stings are going to be prevented by this. Let's take a closer look. So starting up around the neck, so we have just a very basic glide skin material around the neck. So this is very soft, it's nice against your skin, but what it does do is it creates a pretty effective seal against your skin. So that's going to slow the water down so it doesn't flush straight into the suit. It's going to slow it down. Moving down from the suit, we can see we have big open panels, ergonomically designed, and it's all flat lock stitching, so it's quite soft against your skin. Because you don't have too much stitching around it, it means you get a bit of flexibility in the suit, which just means that you can get in and out of it fairly easily, and you can also move around whilst you're in the suit. Moving down to the cuffs, take a quick look at these. These are just basic rolled neoprene, nothing too fancy in here. The roll just means it's not a raw cut, so it's kind of rounded at the tip, but there's no actual seal on the inside. It's just the neoprene against your skin. But again, this is made for warmer waters, so you don't need quite a sort of comprehensive seal on the inside of that. Moving down the suit, we're going down to the knees. So the knees have some reinforced sections in that. So this is abrasion resistant. So this is a usual high wear and tear area, especially if you're training. So that sort of knee pad is just going to protect the knee of the wetsuit so it lasts a lot longer. And then down to the bottom of the ankle cuffs, exactly the same as the wrist cuffs. It's just rolled neoprene, back on itself and sewn down. No seal, but that's kind of all you need in tropical waters. Turning the suit around, you see that blue, kind of navy blue styling continues along the back. Up around the neck, we have Velcro closure. So this just allows you to adjust exactly how snug that neck seal is around your neck. If you don't want it too tight, then you can loosen it off. But if you do want a more effective seal, you can kind of seal that down. Underneath that, we have a YKK zipper with a really long leash on that. So it's actually really quick and easy to get into the suit all by yourself. Underneath that zipper, we also have a section of Velcro. So this little sort of bit of Velcro, that acts as a locking mechanism for that zipper. So during the dive, it won't undo by itself. If you undo that section of Velcro, it's very easy to undo and do back up all by yourself. And you'll notice underneath the zipper, we have this section of neoprene. So very, very thin. This is about 1 millimeter of neoprene. That acts as a flush guard, so that's stopping water from going straight through the zipper and getting straight to your back. It's got to slow down first. It's got to warm up a little bit before it actually gets to you. On the inside of the suit, we just have a pretty traditional lining inside of that, nothing too fancy. That's more to protect the neoprene and help you get in and out of it. Getting back into the suit, very quick and easy. You've got a little sort of tab down at the bottom of this zipper. Grab hold of that with one hand, grab hold of the leash with the other hand, just pull that up to your neck and you're in. Just do up that little section of Velcro, make sure that that's done up so the zipper won't undo, and then that section around your neck and you're good to go. So, all in all, a very nice suit. The kind of blue design is very different from all the black wetsuits that you get nowadays. 3mm is good for those tropical warmer waters where you just need something to keep that chill at bay. This is the Cressi Men's Fast 3mm Wetsuit. Thanks for watching, safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.